Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Fitbit Sense 2 beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Fitbit Sense 2. Locate the device along with the charging cable and documentation. Charge your Fitbit Sense 2 for at least 1 hour before initial setup. While your device charges, download the Fitbit app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once it finishes downloading. Create a new Fitbit account or log into your existing account. If you're creating a new account, follow the on-screen prompts to input your personal information. Make sure to enable location services for the app when prompted. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Set up a device from the options available. Choose Fitbit Sense 2 from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to start the pairing process. Keep the Fitbit Sense 2 close to your phone throughout the pairing process. When prompted, confirm that the numbers displayed on your Fitbit match those on your phone. This ensures that the two devices are correctly linked. You may need to grant permissions for the app to access notifications. Customize your unique Fitbit settings, such as heart rate monitoring and notifications. Once you have configured your settings, tap Next to proceed. Complete the setup by selecting your preferred watch face. Take a moment to explore the available features within the app. Sync your Fitbit Sense 2 with the app for the first time to ensure it's up to date. Your device will now be ready to use. Familiarize yourself with the various health metrics tracked by your Fitbit Sense 2. Adjust any settings as you see fit for your daily use. Congratulations, you're all set to start using your Fitbit Sense 2 for fitness tracking and health monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.